Hi all, Naveed here from the Artificial Intelligence and Robotics Lab, part of the drone division. So today we have a new or a rather interesting propulsion system from a company out of Singapore. It's called IPET system. We are making huge strides in next gen propulsion system where they are claiming or promising to have long endurance, something that's the next market trend. So without further delays, let's unbox their system. So it's just come in straight yesterday, it's just been delivered to us. So this is like the first unboxing video the lab is also doing. So out of the box, you can see the packaging. It's pretty neat, I would say. So we have the propellers. These are the 30-inch propellers from IPET. Super light. I mean, you can't feel the weight. And here we have the motors themselves. It's the i7 80 kV motors, and yeah, let's go over it. Let's see if anything else they are giving us. Nope, it's just that. So we'll open the box. It's a very nice case provided by them. So just to show the specification, if you can read it, you may not be able to read it, but it's rated for 12s to 14s operations, and the recommended thrust is 2 to 3.5 kgs. Oh, there's a lock. So this is how the motors look. It's a pretty cool scheme they have on it. These have been the new version of the motors. So I was told that the new versions have this tri-lock mechanism on it, whereas the previous generation was this dual lock propeller tightening assembly. And so you have it in clockwise and counterclockwise set. So it comes as a set, so you'll have to order 4 motors with 2 propellers. So this is a set that has been purchased from them, and it has an integrated speed controller and all the necessary cable, CAN as well as PWM is in here. The motor mount is for 30 mm carbon fiber tubes, and it's just one screw that's holding, and maybe you can reinforce it with 2 more screws. So yeah, we're pretty much excited, and good thing is that you have navigational lights, so it'll be great to see front, rear, all in all. So keeping this aside, coming to another attraction, the propellers. Again, these are like premium packaging. It's great because you can transport the propellers in the same case. Again, it has a latch to it. Wow, just look at this beauty. It's so light. Like I've not seen anything light like this for what it is. It's pretty nicely done. And yeah, so you have it in orange and also white. It's a beautiful design. Love it. So it's supposed to be a little bit silent propeller, and this is the new quick release technology of theirs. So assuming, so this is a anti-clockwise propeller. So I'll just find the pair. So this is the anti-clockwise pair. So they are color coded. So you have silver for clockwise and black heads for counterclockwise. So just press it in and just lock it. Just one hand lock and one hand unlock. So it's pretty quick deployment on field. So really superb for them. So let's stay tuned for more, I guess. So we'll be testing these on the thrust bench and seeing what kind of performance or thrust data they are able to generate. Before we leave, just a great shout out again to IPET team Singapore and also Artcopter team at Korea. They were really helpful for making this possible. So truly appreciate the help. Thank you all.